Good morning everybody. Beautiful day today in Fort Lauderdale. Have sun, really beautiful. I love it. Anyway, I'm staying in my room. Last night I spent beautiful time at Surf Club Beach in Miami, Fort Lauderdale. Wonderful dinner. Oh my God, I'm excited. I meet two beautiful girls there. One from Praga, brown hair, long hair, wonderful body, face like two, baby face. And other girl from French, Saint-Tropez, very elegant, Chanel look. So, unfortunately, both girls leave after tomorrow, but we touch in Europe. I love the elegant, beautiful woman. I like very much make friendly. You know, this is nice emotion. And last night also we've been with the friends and this is nice restaurant. I'm very happy for that because Simone and the first stewardess with the mom, Margaret, she is a lovely woman, 17-year-old, elegantissimo, same like Camilla in The Wife, the King right now. Same. So, I'm happy. I'm start for my day. Big kiss. Good morning! Beautiful sunny day today, morning at Fort Lauderdale. And today afternoon have something very special. And have flight show. It's beautiful. Many military flights. We make it showtime and the sky. And you see everything is happening on the beach in Fort Lauderdale. I think so it's nice experience for seeing one time. And I'm lucky because I'm having my balcony in the fourth season, 6th floor. And I don't need to go there inside with many people. And I'm enjoy time in my balcony. So this is Saturday, 3 May. Every year have this show time in Fort Lauderdale. 2 times? 2 times we make it. Oh my God, 2 times. Unbelievable. People like it. And all the world, they're coming here. Actually now in the hotel is full. Coming 110 or 20, I don't remember, guests for watch this show time. So, me too, I need to show. I'm showing you later. This. Eccoci qua, finally, we see the flight. Finally. Watch. I follow you everywhere. Now, let me go. Maybe go other way. Let me go. There. Good morning again. And stay here and hospital clinic, private clinic in Florida. Actually, this is for women. Unbelievable. Look at very big. I stay here because I have appointment in mammography. The girlfriend can look at that. Beautiful. Everything for the woman. I like it. Beautiful pink. Yeah. This big hospital for women. And I'm ready for making my mammography today. So this is in the room della Francesca Galarata, heart, wonderful doctor, very good doctor. Oh, look at that, what beautiful view.
Oh yeah.
Not like Rome in the clinica.
Oh,
yes.
For 3 years.
Today morning in Miami, Lia Harold Mental Lobby. We come here with a visit for the heart doctor, Francesca Galarata. She from Rome. She works here. So I'm glad. So let's go. We need to go. We need to go.
Non ti so del Vaticano, non ti dicono una parola.
Eccoci qua. Loro sono due persone che hanno dato soldi per questa fantastica clinica sull'oceano, specializzato in heart,
Sì.
specializzato in cuori, ecco, perfetto, una bella famiglia. Loro sono ebrei e hanno voluto donare il loro denaro per costruire questo bellissimo palazzo dove ho conosciuto una dottoressa che è magnifica e ha detto prima è di Roma, è una donna simpaticissima, molto brava, molto efficiente. Tutti sono molto efficienti. Ecco. Eccoci qua anche oggi il dottore, mio marito, ha fatto un bel controllo e ci torneremo